Traditional color theory distinguishes colors by color temperature, warm colors and cool colors. The color wheel, primary, secondary, and intermediate colors, is split into two halves, warm and cool. The warm colors include yellow, orange, and red. The cool colors include blue, magenta, and violet. Some colors, such as black, white, and pure gray, are considered neutral because they are neither warm nor cool. This definition of warm and cool colors is purely psychological. We strongly associate red, yellow, and orange with sources of heat such as fire and the sun. Blue is the color of water, ice, and the vast, open sky. Blue-green is the color of shade under trees. It's easy to see that yellow is warm and blue is cool when you compare them. It may be less obvious when comparing red to magenta as they are adjacent on the color wheel. However, if you compare their color temperatures, you'll see that a bluish red, magenta, is cooler than a yellowish red. Describing how a color leans toward another primary or secondary color is also referred to as its bias. Red and green can have a yellow or blue bias. Yellow and blue can have a red or green bias. Yellowish red is warm, bluish red is cool. Reddish blue is warm, greenish blue is cool. Reddish yellow is warm, greenish yellow is cool. Yellowish green is warm, bluish green is cool. The base of the six-color mixing system is two colors, one warm and one cool, for each of the three primary colors. This allows for the mixing of highly saturated secondary colors. The most powerful use of color temperature is to create depth, atmosphere, and perspective. With this simple rule, warm colors advance and cool colors recede, you can create a convincing illusion of deep space on a flat canvas. As the distance from a color increases, the color temperature falls and the color becomes cooler. A dark color becomes increasingly light as the distance from the color increases. The saturation of a color decreases as the distance from the color increases. This mimics a real-world phenomenon. When you look at distant mountains, the thick layer of atmosphere between you and them scatters light, making the mountains appear blue and gray and less distinct. ArtistAssistApp algorithmically estimates the color temperature, whether it is warm, cool, or neutral, and shows the corresponding symbol next to the color name. You can choose a color mixing recipe based on color temperature or create your own color set by selecting colors with the desired temperature. However, it's an estimation, so artistic perception may vary for some colors.